King, wait for me.
3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during the Philippine Beyblade Battle League. A previous challenger wants another crack at the Dragon King. After months of training and mastering his skills, he's here for one reason: revenge. This time, nothing will stand in his way. He's Blader Jerry, Kamen X. Will Jerry with his new persona beat the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King retain his title? Stick around to find out. This is the combo that I'll be using for this challenge. Cobalt Dragoon with the 460 ratchet and the low flat bit. Grand Buster with a 360 ratchet and the point bit. Grand Sword with the 960 ratchet and the flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
First bait tayo. Dito na lang.
Set up.
Leaders ready.
Wait, the what?
Wait, ito na lang.
Hey!
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! One boy, Jerry. Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot.
Hey, something that shoot.
Hey, even. 1-all tayo. Third bay tayo.
Hey.
Dito. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Boom!
What?
Tuwan! Sino to? Jerry. Tuwan ikaw yun. Ako ba? Okay na ako? Dito ulit. Green, 1-0. Green, 1-0. 1-0 set. Ano ulit tayo? Pick ulit tayo. Okay, tama? First bait tayo. Dito ulit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Uy! Second base. Match point, is it? Or kaya pa? Ready, ready? 3. Ako wait lang, matapang camera. Uy! Naku! 3-1, Jerry. Okay, shuffle tayo. Shuffle, Jerry, shuffle. Dito na lang. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Anong beat mo? Ay, talo. 3-2, Jerry. Next page. Go for the ano. Bakit, Jerry? No coaching po siya. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Jerry wins! Jerry wins! Okay, 1-1 tayo. Isa pa. Jerry, isa pa. Ayan, ikaw. Talaga naman. Okay, first play ulit tayo. First play. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, sabay naman. Oh! Jerry,
0.
Oh, sige. Line pa.
Second bay tayo.
Second day, Jerry. Go, Jerry, go! For the win!
3, 2, 1.
Ito. Si Kuya.
It is ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 1, Kamen X 2. After a gruesome battle, Kamen X defeats the Dragon King and gets his revenge. Nice one. Kamen X is your new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Grats. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Jerry, and I'll see you guys on the next video.